Welcome back to our podcast, where we explore the fascinating world of internet privacy tools and technologies. Today, we're diving into a project named V2RayAggregator. Now, I know that might sound a bit technical, but trust me, there are some intriguing concepts here that are worth unpacking. So what is the V2RayAggregator? Well, it's a tool designed to streamline access to various internet proxy nodes, allowing users to navigate the web more freely and securely. It's essential for anyone looking to maintain privacy online. Even if you're not a tech wizard, this topic has a lot of implications for the everyday internet user. Let's kick this off with a bit of backstory. The V2RayAggregator project was recently updated. Stable versions are now available again, but with a word of caution. Users were advised not to jump in too quickly due to potential errors in node updates. It's fascinating how something as complex as node management requires such ongoing maintenance. Imagine trying to optimize an entire network of connections, checking for speed and stability. One of the key highlight features from the V2RayAggregator is its ability to automatically test the speed of free proxy nodes. This means that rather than manually hunting through lists of options, the tool does the hard work for you. Users can just import a list of tested nodes. Convenience is the name of the game here. But let's get into the nitty-gritty for a moment. How does it actually manage to speed test nodes? The magic happens through GitHub Actions. For those who might not be familiar with it, GitHub Actions allows developers to automate tasks within their GitHub repositories, and in this case, it enables the V2RayAggregator to check node speeds in a continuous integration process. This level of automation truly empowers users, offering them fast and reliable choices for their browsing needs. And speaking of choices, there's a comprehensive filtering system in place to ensure that only the most reliable nodes make it to your interface. The team behind V2RayAggregator has even stripped out duplicates to give users a cleaner, more efficient experience. Have you ever dug through a document full of repeated entries? Not fun, right? The developers have made sure you won't face that headache here. Now, for those more into technical configurations, the project offers nodes in several major formats: YAML, V2Ray configurations, and more. It's impressive to think about how a single tool can cater to various platforms and user preferences. This modularity means users aren't locked into one way of doing things and can adapt their tools to best fit their needs. And here's a thought. How often do we think about our internet privacy? For many of us, it may not be a daily consideration, but tools like V2RayAggregator push it to the forefront. They provide a means to access a more open internet while keeping our data safe. The real question is, how could adopting these tools change the way we interact with online services? Lastly, I should mention some of the ongoing tasks for the V2RayAggregator team, such as fixing issues related to regional speed tests and keeping source files clean and up to date. It highlights the relentless spirit of the developers as they strive to improve user experience. As we wrap things up today, the world of online privacy tools is vast and ever-evolving. Projects like V2RayAggregator not only simplify the process, but also open up a new way for users to think about their digital footprints. If you're curious about internet freedom and privacy, dipping your toes into tools like this may be a great way to start. Before we conclude, I'd love for you to think about this. What are your personal views on internet privacy? Do you believe these tools are essential in maintaining our freedom online? Feel free to share your thoughts with us. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next episode, where we'll dig deeper into more Captivate